Hello teachers! Welcome to our Jolly Phonics learning series. If you want your students to read and write English with confidence, you're in the right place. Many children in bilingual schools find English difficult because they try to memorize words instead of understanding the sounds that make those words. That is why we use the Jolly Phonics approach. Children first learn letter sounds, then blend sounds to read words,
and segment words to spell correctly.
Learning becomes simple, natural. These lessons are specially designed for bilingual schools. Play them regularly in your classroom and help every child develop strong English reading and writing skills. If these lessons help your classroom, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with other teachers. Your support helps us create more educational videos for children. Now, let's begin. Let's begin today's lesson. Together, let's make English learning easy, enjoyable, and successful for every child.
S, s, snake. A, ant. T, t, tennis. I, ink. P, puff. N, net. K, cat. Egg. Hop. Rag. Meal. Drum. Gurgle. On. Umbrella. Lollipop. Fish. Bat. A, pain. J, jam. O, goat. I, tie. E, B, or, fork. Z, buzz. W, wind. Strong. Van. Book. Yogurt. X, fox. Chicken. Shh, hush. This. Quack. Ow, ouch. Oi, oil. U, Q. mixer. R, arm.
Hello dear children. Today we will learn consonant-vowel blend. This is also called CV blend or two-letter blend. So let's begin. B, A makes ba. B, E makes ba. B, I makes B. B, O makes bo. B, E makes b. Ba, be, bi, bo, b. K, A makes ka. K, E makes ka. K, I makes ki. K, O makes ko. K, E makes k. Ka, ke. Ki, ko, k. D, E makes da. D, E makes da. D, I makes di. D, O makes do. D, E makes d. Da, de, di, do, d. F, A makes fa. F, E makes fa. F, I makes fi. F, O makes for. F, A makes for. Fa, fe, fi, fo, f. G, A makes ga. G, E makes ga. G, I makes ki. G, O makes go. G, E makes go. Ga, ge, gi, go, g. H, A makes ha. H, E makes he. H, I makes he. H, O makes ho. H, E makes her. Ha, he, he, ho, her. J, A makes ja. J, E makes ja. J, I makes G. J, O makes jaw. J, E makes J. Ja, J, G, Jo, J. K, A makes cat. K, E makes cat. K, I makes ki. K, O makes ko. K, E makes k. Ka, ke, ki, ko, k. L, A makes la. L, E makes la. L, I makes li. L, O makes lo. L, E makes lo. La, le, li, lo, lo. M, A makes ma. M, E makes ma. M, I makes me. M, O makes mo. M, A makes ma. Ma, me, mi, mo, m. N, E makes na. N, E makes na. N, I makes ni. N, O makes no. N, A makes no. Na, ne, ni, no, no. P, A makes pa. P, E makes pa. P, I makes pi. P, O makes po. P, A makes po. Pa, pe, pi, po, po. R, A makes ra. R, A makes ra. R, I makes ri. R, O makes ro. R, A makes ro. Ra, re, ri, ro, r. S, A makes sa. S, E makes sa. S, I makes si. S, O makes so. S, A makes so. sa, se, si, so, se. D, a mixed, d, e mixed, d, I mixed, d, o mixed, d, a mixed, da, d, di, do, d. V, a mixed, v, e mixed, v, I mixed, v, o mixed, v, a mixed, v. Where, we, wo, w. Wa, a mixed, wa, e mixed, wa, I mixed, v, w, o mixed, w, wa, a mixed, w. Where, we, wo, w. Y, a mixed, ya. Y, e mixed, ye. Y, I mixed, y. Y, o mixed, yo. Y, a mixed, yo. Ye, ye, y, yo, y. Z, a mixed, z, e mixed, z, I mixed, z, o mixed, z, a mixed, za, ze, zi, zo, z.